what's up, Yuri? What's up, everybody? Day 34, let's go. I'm learning Cascadeur right now. Cascadeur. Fuck, I don't know. Okay, let me see here. Let me fix the audio for you. So it's supposed to be, I don't know. Not that one. Ini aja apa? Lele. Was it not available for some reason? I forgot you got a haircut. Yeah, I'm an egg guy now. What, you have a problem with that? Okay, so let me close that. Okay, now I suppose you will have music right now. I think. Can you hear the music? I think so, yeah. Yeah, I'm a egg guy now. What's up with you, Yuri? I might have too many people in my studio right now, so it might get noisy. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. I don't have the to go here, I think. No? Put it here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Right, should we start then? So I got these models. Took my dog to the park. Oh yeah, I forget you are in an entirely different time zone. Yeah, right. I think the music is too big for me. Okay, that's so much better. All right, she ran around like crazy. Haven't you, like, how do I phrase this? Have you taken the dog out lately? So this one needs an inverse kinematics 2. So changes chain length of 1, I think. Okay, to this armature. Thing. And I think remove this parent. I think this one, all of this doesn't need parents. I think. Okay, remove this parent, Well, if you took me out to the park, I might also run around like crazy. Yeah, there you go. Okay, nice. So Okay. So I need a stiffness. Well, I don't care. Okay, that works. And let's set up this. Target armature, bones. Huh? What happened here? Here. And remove this parent. This parent and go to post mode. Okay, too many chain length. Chain length of 1. Aha. So I think we can move it like that. You come on, quick. Okay. Alt G. Okay, let's see here. This one also need kinematics from here. I'm literally pulling this out of my ass. Okay. Okay, let's see. So, oh yeah, we need to remove that. You actually a ghost, huh? You just ghosted me like that. Man, you gotta stop that. Ghosted me every single damn time. And first kinematics. Forget an armature. I can't help it. I never ghosted you once, bro. Jesus. Do I need to remove this from the parent? I think so, yeah. Right now I'm writing a blog to KDE Planet. Man, you should publish that on Medium too. Oh yeah. Alright.
Be careful.
I'm really shy about it, to be honest. I'd rather it just be on a platform for now. Okay. But I'm still going to push you to publish it on here. Daily.dev. Fuck, I need to log in. Okay, now it's gone. Nice. There you go, yeah. So this is actually some kind of like cross publisher, multi-publisher canal or something. So you can write it on KDE Planet and also put your link into this as a feed, you know, as a new post, and this platform will read your story and create this bunch of settings for the AI to do it for the reader. So for example, the TLDR is like too lazy, didn't read, so the AI will create those version of your post and become this. But I'm not plus, so I can only see the TLDR. See, a lot of shit, like, you know, Every developer needs to self-host. This is also, if you click it, it's gonna bring me to the actual article. See, the Japanese text is too wide, right? Yeah, you're right. Okay, let me fix that. I think that should be enough. That's awesome too. What's awesome? Oh, the link? Yeah, I really like the platform. It really sucks because you need to install it as a browser plugins instead of like website. So some people doesn't like that. I'll consider posting on that platform. You don't post anything on this. You post it somewhere else, like Medium, like, you know, the usual stuff. But you have those links to this canal or something, channel. Okay, is that better? That's too small. I think a little bit to the left is okay. Okay. I think that's good. What's good? What? There you go. No. Okay. Can you do that, actually? Right. Now the left side. So I think this can be 2 as its chain length. Ooh, broken arm. Okay. Saya LaBeouf. Shia LaBeouf. Oh, there you go. Got it correct. Nice. Inverse kinematics. Target it to armature. Put it to bone, and make the chain length 2. This also have inverse kinematics. Target it to the armature. Target it to this bone. Hello there. Hello. What's up, 69 Sura? Sorry if I butcher your name. This one chain length of 1. Okay, I think that works. No, it didn't. It did not? What? Oh yeah. Okay. So if I do this, yeah. Okay. How's everything going? Everything's going fine as long as far as pulling something out of my own ass. So I don't know how inverse kinematics works, but I just guess out of my ass here, but so far so good. I haven't encountered any problem yet. So this one needs to have one chain length. Okay. And this one is have inverse kinematics targeted to the armature and this bone, I think. Okay. So, oh yeah, we haven't removed those parents.
Yeah.
I need you to be a parentless. Oh, what the hell? It's connected, right? What? Bro, what's happening? This is parented, yes. Huh. Is there any bones? Wait a single second here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, I think it's the weight, isn't it? I think it's the weight, isn't it? Damn. Oh yeah. But no, I don't think so, no? Like, why is this not connected at all? There's something about it. What the hell? That is so weird. Deform. So that works, that works. Is it on the wrong bone? It is not. Oh, wait a second here. Okay. So this one is chain length of 2. Ah, okay, there you go. Fuck. Scare me a little bit. There you go. Right, nice. Okay, reset the position. Right. Cool. All right. So we got everything working. Nice. But if I go here, yeah, nice, and go here. No. Yeah, okay. Do I need to root it? Do I need to make a root for this? Something like that, but it is not connected. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, now I need to look into the new software that we are going to learn today. Okay. Yeah, I still haven't got the I didn't got the controls down yet, but I call it Alt. Right. So let's see. How do we do this? So click this and add model scene. Model, I think. Export. Access denied. Access denied. Operation in progress. Start Cascadeur. Access denied. Okay, that is interesting. Do I need to raise the privileges of Blender? That is not good. That is literally not good. But let's see if that helps. Okay, so let's click this, export, still access denied. Or maybe I since I already have the app open, maybe. Okay. Blender. Start. Okay, that is interesting. What kind of runtime that have access denied on it? No, embedded runtime I meant. Or maybe we can find some documentation on the add-ons page here. Cascadeur. I think that's it. Blender import settings. Blender export settings. Advanced port. Let's see. Okay, so go to Blender. No. Oh yeah. We need to look at the video. Probably there's a tutorial about it.
So I made an add-on to help you transfer files and animations between Blender and Cascadeur.
Permission denied. Yeah, there you go here.
To install the add-on, go to the GitHub page.
Remote.
Otherwise, you will need to set it manually. Because I don't have permission to
Okay. That is unacceptable actually. Okay, so maybe let's look into the Cascadeur. FBX. Sure. What? Okay, import FBX presets theme. Import. It is on here. Project. Here, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Entering mode to do imported model. Yes. For humanoid character, is best to use quick rigging tool. Launch it. Sure. The character could not be fully recognized. Please check if all bone match and click add rig elements at the bottom of the window. Okay. Okay, this one. Maybe start from the smaller one. So that one is right arm, sure. Forearm. What is forearm? Lengan bawah. Ah, okay. Okay, so we don't have fingers. So I think start here. Okay. So this one is right forearm. Right? And this one is hand. Okay. And arm. Here. Clavicle. No, that's not clavicle. What is clavicle? Collarbone. Ah, I see. Okay. So this one is the clavicle. Okay. The shit. Yeah, it's supposed to be left, right? Shit. Okay. So this one, arm, forearm, then 8 hand. Okay, cool. Okay, let's continue. Go here. This one is clavicle R. This one is arm, forearm, and then hand. Alright. Okay. Now head. Which is this? This one is head. one is neck. Okay. Pelvis. Why is there any? Why is there? There's 2 bones there. What? No, it is not. Uh-huh. Okay. That is interesting. So if I do that, I do this. Aha. The control is messing me up actually. Okay. So then this one is neck, right? Yeah. Head and then chest, stomach, pelvis. Don't have pelvis. Maybe this one is pelvis. Okay, left leg. Left leg is this one. Thigh. This one is thigh. I think calf is this one. Foot. This one is foot. Okay. There is no toe, so we don't need that. Okay, thigh, calf, foot, toe. No. Okay. Okay, add rig element. Do you want to create rig now and exit rigging mode? You can also continue editing the rig. For more information, see our rigging documentation. Generate rig. Auto posing tool. No object. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, now what we do? Okay. Okay, now it's time to learn, I think. Okay, because I have no idea. Okay, I got the control right, but I'm not used to it yet. Oh. So this one cannot do that. Right. Okay, let's do it. Cascadeur.
Hi, and welcome to Cascadeur. In this video, we're going to talk about the most fundamental things you need to know about Cascadeur and create this simple animation here. So let's get started. So, you've downloaded it. To navigate the view, Hold Alt and left click to rotate the camera. Hold Alt
Yeah, I
to
got that
work
down
with.
already.
To avoid that, there's a set of display modes that you can choose from. Each mode displays the view axis to a specific set of scene elements. In the view mode, for example, we can only see the character's head. So
Right.
this view is very useful to check and play back your animation. But to start with, switch to multiplayer mode. The controllers in this mode look as a set of connected points. Now let's see how we pose the character. Click the blue point at the character's foot. To move it, use Translate to auto-posing mode. The controllers we shall switch to auto-posing mode. The controllers for this mode look as a set of connected points. Now let's see how we pose the character. Click the blue point at the character's foot. To move it, use Translate manipulator.
Oh, there is an extra work for that. I see.
Select the axis and the left mouse button to drag it along.
Okay, let's do a new scene then.
Notice how much the whole pose has changed. If the pose resets every time you change it, the frame doesn't have a key on it.
Home.
So for now, just make sure to stay on frame 0.
Models.
You can move objects along
Cascadeur.
axes, planes, or relative to the view.
Here. Auto-posing mode.
Working with auto-posing is similar to making an AI prompt. Only you don't use words to form this prompt, your whole pose has changed. The controllers for this mode look as a set of connected points. Now let's see how we pose the character.
Looking good, bro. Yeah.
To move it, use Translate manipulator. You can select it from the tool panel or simply press W. Select the axis and hold the mouse button to drag it along.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? Look at that shit. Oh my god.
Resets every time you change it.
I'm gonna kick you.
Frame doesn't have a key on
Holy crap.
So for now, just make sure to stay on frame 0. You can move objects along axes, planes, or relative to the viewport.
Wow.
Working with auto-posing is similar to making an AI prompt. Only you don't use words to form this prompt, you move the controllers. The controllers that form the prompt are called active and are displayed blue in the viewport. For example now, only the points of the feet are active. So auto-posing only knows that one foot has to be placed here and the other one there. The position of the rest of the controllers is calculated automatically. Moving any point in the grid will automatically activate it, and therefore included into the prompt. Active points have an impact on the inactive ones. So now moving the hand also rotates the body. But once I activate the direction controller, the direction of the body will no longer change if I move the hand. You can activate more points and therefore specify your prompt. And of course, you can select multiple points and move them simultaneously. Hold Shift to select points that you want to include, and click again to deselect them. Or you can left mouse and drag a box to select the active points.
Okay.
You can double-click any point to select all of its child nodes. Now when you move them, all of the points will be activated. You can easily rotate any number of points around any pivot. Select the points, select the rotation manipulator, and press E on your keyboard. You can rotate the points along any axis of the manipulator, and you can right-click any point to make it a pivot.
That is so mind-blowing right now.
Also, you can switch between global and local modes of the manipulator. In the global modes, the axes of the manipulator correspond to those of the scene. Can be useful when you want to drag the floor, for example. And in the local mode, the axis follows the direction of the object. This mode is very handy, especially when you want to rotate. The more active controllers you set, the less freedom autoposer will have over the rig. To deactivate any of the controllers, select it and click this button here. Or press Shift Z on your keyboard. Once
Okay.
deactivated, autoposing will assume the position of this controller depending on the rest of the active points.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the basis of what you need to know about the ways you can control the pose of the character. You can learn more about autoposing on the video tutorial. But now, let's get to animating. So for now, you can either undo the changes by pressing Ctrl Z or open up a new scene. Animation pretty much consists of a sequence of poses on different frames. You can see all the frames of the animation on the timeline. The frames which contain poses that you set are called keyframes and are displayed blue on the timeline. Now the only keyframe we have is on frame 0. Let's set the first pose for our animation on this frame. For our pose, we'll first need to activate the direction controller of the head to get the character to look forward. Now, let's move right foot forward. And then adjust the rotation of the body using the direction controller of the chest. And it is for the starting pose. To make the next pose, we first have to create a new key. Go to frame 20 and click this button to create one. Or simply press F. Now we need to change the pose in the new key.
What?
Key. Go to frame 20 and click this button to create one. Or simply press F. Now we need to change the pose in the new key. I suggest we mirror it. To do that, double-click the pelvis points of the character to select all the points. Go to Mirror tool and select the mirror plane along which you want the mirroring to happen. Make sure that mirror pelvis position is turned off and click Mirror on current frame. Let's now make our animation return to our first pose in the end. Select the key on frame 0, hold Shift and middle mouse button and drag the key to frame 50. And now we have successfully copied the first key. Currently, there are no poses between the frames, so the poses switch abruptly. Now, select all the frames of our animation. Left-click, drag along the timeline. Then expand the interpolate box and select Bezier Band. What we've done here is that we use interpolation to calculate the poses in between the frames.
Right.
However, let's make it so that the character will stand still for some time before changing the pose. To do that, go to frame 0 and copy that key to frame 10. This way, we created an interval between two identical poses, so our character would not move on that interval. Let's make another interval like that after the character changes the pose. To do that, simply copy frame 20 to frame 30. And now we have the keys that we need for our animation. Click this button to add the timeline to the animation range. And press play to watch it. Now let's use autophysics to make this animation much more exciting.
Now this is the interesting one.
Click the autophysics button to display the physics assistant. It shows you what it will look like once various physical algorithms are applied
Holy
to it.
crap.
These algorithms are displayed
Look
on
at
the
that,
Physics
bro.
Settings
Like,
tab on the right. Currently,
how far we
physics
came along.
character is the only thing applied.
Uh-huh.
The frames on which the feet are considered to be fulcrum, you can see their points outlined green.
Okay.
Same goes for that interval on the timeline. However, on this interval, the feet move and are no longer considered fulcrum. Such intervals automatically turns into jumps. You can change the animation which will have an impact on the end result. For example, select the key on frame 10 and press plus on the keyboard to add more frames after it. The more frames there are between the keys, the longer this animation would take. And the longer the character has to stay airborne during the jump, the higher the jump will have to be.
Right.
Remove the frames from the interval by pressing the minus key on your keyboard. and thus reduce the animation time. You can also change the timings by moving the keys on the timeline. To do that, select the key and hold the middle mouse button to drag it. Same as copying without holding shift. Now activate another physics filter, which is called smooth trajectory. Turn it on first, and then you can use the slider to adjust its value. The higher the value, the smoother the trajectory and the velocity of the center of mass. Rather stiff. On higher values, it squats and springs much more. By the way, you can disable ghost offset at any time to better see what autophysics does to the animation. As for the smooth trajectory, let's keep its value at 90. Next, let's turn on compensation. That can help the character. Same as when the person would swing their hands to try and prevent themselves from falling. Here, compensation motion makes the character. In most cases, secondary motion really makes animation come to life. I'll keep the value at 90 for this one as well. Now you can clearly see the overlaps in the character's arms.
Oh my god, bro.
Is smooth rotation. However, it won't do much for this particular animation here. It's most useful when the character makes a quick and sharp turn. There, the filter helps to smooth the rotation to help the character initiate that rotation. Now,
Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, so this rotate, this one is zoom, this one is pan. Okay. So how do we do that again? Put it here. This is controlling the toe. Okay. This one is controlling the I see. Okay. So in idle, I wanna do how do I do the orthogonal view? Mesh mode, no. This one? No. This one. Center camera. Right. What? W.
Jalan dari gue tuh bener pas banget nih jadi kan bisa kelihatan makanya gue biasanya ambil yang di pinggir biar gue ngeliatnya ke bocah. Tapi gue pengen tau dong view terhadap musik Indonesia sekarang dari sekian sampai ini sudah cukup banyak ini. Sekarang ke yang kedua.
Okay. Okay, so we need to change that. This one? Auto posting update. This one is the normal one, right? Or this one?
Ada nggak band yang menurut tuh kayak lu nebak nih kayak bakal gede nih gitu karena sial kah atau apa gitu.
This one and F. So with this, look at the side. That is that's impossible. And I think we move this. No. So rotation is E.
Yang aku gampang gitu. Kalau jangan baca gila. Iya kan udah kalah. Kalau Jepang yang berbeda, tapi apa?
Oops, shift, drag. Okay. Boop, boop. Okay, so we select this, drag it like that. Right? Then here, I think? No, this one. This one. Auto interpolation, there you go. Oh, this one, right? Bezier clamped. Right. And how do I do the auto physics one again?
Same as copying, but current line to the animation range. Press play to watch it. Now let's use autophysics to make this animation much more exciting. Click the autophysics button to display
That one, okay. Let's see. Oh, let's move this to 90. I don't like that actually. Okay, this one I want it to like that. And rotate it a bit. Okay.
Sebelum itu gua ada ngeband lagi. buat tadi ya boleh juga. Saya mau ikut kelas. Iya.
Okay.
Masih pada cek ya. Waktu itu pasti apa kerjanya di pom kayak tahu dulu dulu ini untuk kayaknya sih gimana dengan teman-temannya ya.
Okay, auto physics. Nice. Okay.
Makna rumit tuh lagi kok ini itu pikirnya ada ini ya ya gitu kan oh ya sampai itu ada tiga jalan gitu dia pikir aja gitu
Okay, physics settings.
aktif ya musiknya jujur sih kemarin bagi-bagi itu gue nggak ada sebenarnya tapi gue masih senang kan ya gue ke panggung sama orang-orang kan macam ini terus saya tuh gimana gue dengerin dari dulu 18 lain-lain yang aktif kopi tuh nggak
Okay, I don't like this keyframe actually. It's 45, yeah.
gitu
Right, okay. That is interesting. Okay, I got it. Okay, so let's remove this. And let's change like
kita aja gitu.
40, maybe 60.
Paling terus kita mana aku Iron Man.
F.
Kita mau gameplay gitu.
Ini right ya, man ya?
Presentasi ini. Anjing.
Okay.
Di banget. Ngobrol. Apa? Di sini lu doang yang bahagia. Poinnya gimana dulu kirim? Apa saya?
That is too much. Okay. Uh,
Kerjanya apa gitu? Skill lah gitu. Lihat sih ada udah itu tulis loh.
okay. Smooth trajectory. Okay, that is too abrupt. So we need a new.
Ngodong yang mulai itu ketemu boleh gitu. Jadi apa ini DJ ya ada ini bang saya lupa emang ini DJ itu ya di mana ya cuma kayak sebelum ada itu nggak perlu bikin musik ya. Itu kenapa bikin kita sudah mencoba mau balik tadi kita bahas ya nggak boleh bagam tadi semua ini sih lebih ke emang salah kampus soalnya kalau bikin komunitas ini kan dan iya gitu mereka masuk itu juga ini bahasnya tuh ya ini yang berarti juga mereka tahu kita ada hal-hal lebih bisa kayak ngarah itu tambah ide sama dia tuh.
Okay.
Gue lagi liat orang ini, dia lihat doang, gue liat doang, main, enggak, liat doang, liat orang main ini enak banget, main judi, diam.
Udah, bang, sebulan tebel. Oh kan juga. Ini gimana? Oh, ini apa ini? Satu miliar gitu. Ada apa kan? Bukan bos. Iya, kalau tahu ngeliatnya. Saya doang gua nggak dapat kata itu setnya. Terus orang nyebut gampang banget ya. Kita jangan sering bilang aja. Nyebut gampang banget, seneng tuh. Iya, ini Budi kan ya? Budi kan? Iya.
Okay.
Bang, lu kalau misalnya lagi gak ada gahapan gini, bermusik itu malah ada dong. Tapi nama favorit lo SG. Jadi lima. Yang kayak Yamaha itu. Nanti di Facebook. Oh shit. Ya sih. Buat ini. Oke, juga ini. Di hotel itu terus.
What?
Bang, begitu. Bagus kan kita itu loh yang manajemen Oh, benar. Benar di bumi itu. Wah. Udah sih kayaknya.
Damn. I made that?
Oke.
Nice.
Apa ada? Pas. Wah. Kalau lagi produksi minta jauh, bisa boleh naik gitu atau jadi tandanya fungsinya sama. Kita lebih beda-beda.
Kalau orang main judi,
Jangan banyak itu.
itu kebetulan di kanan.
Modal apa sih? Kalau kita kalau bikin robot bikin 3 set tapi sama ini ya melakukan itu dua kali jadi vokalnya nanti sama gitu kan, tapi ya 3 set itu sama jadi lebih rame vokalnya itu baru pada itu bisa ngetek bikin suara yang kayak rame itu ya tuh gitu. Di gue gitu gue nyatanya tuh ya nyanyi tuh kayak banyak gitu loh daripada shouting.
Okay.
Bang Hari, katanya lu mau balik dong.
She wasn't a female cop. She was actually a race car driver. Her name was Eliza.
Tapi bang, di Aceh kan aktivis gitu ya. Kan nggak perlu di sini. Oh, jadi kan di bekas. Kita mau berarti iya tuh miliaran tau seneng banget gue ngeliatnya. Jangan nih.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end it there since we learned about Cascadeur a little bit. The main thing actually. So I'm gonna end my stream here. Thank you everybody that has been around. See you guys on gate 35. Bye bye.